We're going on a road trip on this Miata we just bought that's barely roadworthy. What do you think?
Good idea to me.
No blinkers, but that's alright. One mirror, that's alright. We gotta fix this, we gotta do an oil change, check the tire pressures, no heater.
Who needs heaters anyways?
You got it everywhere.
Give me a rag.
Alrighty, we started our journey and we'll show you our ETA here in a minute when I pull it up. Here's the heater my wife has. I'm hoping it'll keep us warm.
Alright, we just found the thing that we need to get the heater to work in the car with the cigarette lighter, so we should be good now. We got the power inverter right here. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Look this sucker in. Hear some pop.
Try flip. Yeah.
It popped. Turn it on.
No, that's it on, but it's just not gonna work. Well, a slight oversight. The little heater says it takes 400 watts, and our thing only does 100. So we're screwed. We're relying on our own body temperature to keep us warm.
And the car.
And the car.
So we're gonna overheat it, and then we'll be fine.
Apparently in Texas, people don't know how to drive as soon as the roads get wet. We just passed a huge wreck on the other side, and then this guy spun out and broke the back half of his axle off like a dummy. Texas. And then you got this guy flooring it. Alright, ready?
Came with a bunch of clips and stuff. Alright, let's just hide those down there real quick.
It's already started to spell.
Alright guys, so this one didn't work with the heater, so we went in and bought a 500 watt one, and that said 400, right?
Yeah.
So plenty of watts left for the chargers, because chargers take like no watts, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out real quick. So I just plugged it in. Is it gonna keep beeping at us? What does that mean? Oh, that means bad. Alright guys, so we went ahead and wired it up directly to the battery, so it didn't have that voltage problem. Yeah, we got it hooked up, sitting right there. It's working. It's a little dangerous, but it'll be fine.
We just stopped at our first stop. We're getting some dinner at Mickey D's. Earplugs, a lifesaver. This thing has so much drone, honestly. Good thing
I took my
this.
earplugs out and George was yelling at me. Alright guys, well, we were just on the highway and then all of a sudden our driver's side windshield wiper flew off and we weren't able to see for like a little bit, but we just got over to a gas station and he's gonna switch the sides of the windshield wipers till we can find an AutoZone or an O'Reilly's to buy another one, and then we'll see if any more exciting things happen on the way.
Alright, now after the windshield wiper accident, we are now about 46 minutes away and we're chopping it off with gas right now, and we got a new windshield wiper over here. So we'll catch you up when we get closer. Alright, here's the donor car that's donating the hardtop to us. In decent condition. It's got blue on the seals. It's got a slight crack up here on this side. It leaks just a little bit on both sides, but that's pretty much, I just seen a tiny leak. This is a little bit, it needs some fiberglass repair, but nothing you can't fix up.
He's a bum, alright, look at him. In his tiny car. What a little Barbie girl. This is the Barbie car. George is in the Barbie car. Look at that tip.
It's been painted blue before.
Yeah, it's been painted blue. It looks purple.
It's white right now.
It's white. You can tell it's blue.
I'm gonna try to get the glove box or the blower motor on.
Look, you gave us this white mirror. Now we got a green door, a red mirror, and a white mirror. And a mismatched black fin. You know, it's all coming together. Well, he gave us a Hot Wheels too. Nice guy. You gotta help the environment, you know what I'm saying? I'll just pick up random stuff people throw on the ground. I'll try to close it up to the guy, you know, he didn't like it. It'll be fine. I only saw like little dents on here. You can't even really tell on camera, I don't think. But like little chips and stuff. I think it's pretty mint though. Yeah. It's missing a little cover over there. That's not that bad. We're putting that blower motor right there. George, she's bolted it in right now.
It works. Let's go.
Go. Tools.
Oh, my toolbox broke.
Toolbox. Oh my goodness. It's coming out of his paycheck, guys.
Check the oil. We've driven how far?
How would it hasn't been leaking oil.
We don't know that.
I know that for a fact. This car don't leak no oil. Man, there ain't nowhere to set this camera anywhere. There ain't no oil in it. Ain't got no oil. Just kidding. It's full. We got full oil. It's full of oil. It's full on the oil. It's got oil in it. Bro, gotta get the Instagram clip.
It's for my wife.
Sure it is, buddy. Alrighty then. The first thing we should do is put this puppy on.
We got the heater.
Defrost.
We got the blower motor in, and it feels so good to finally feel heat out of the car.
It's supposed to be coming out the defroster right now.
Thank you so much.
It's bent over right now. Go. But yeah, he gave us this little Hot Wheels car. Kinda cool. Kinda cool.
Pop the trunk back open. We didn't put these in there.
You gotta take this too. I ain't closed trunk, you did.
You did.
No, I didn't. I didn't touch the trunk, remember?
So we got about 3 hours to go. And we're going through this small town. Looks like we kind of ran away from the storm coming down here to Austin. But now we're driving back up into it, which it looks like we're gonna have. It says a little bit of ice and some mixed. So I don't know what that means, but we're gonna switch about halfway and I'll start driving once we get to the bad weather. So we'll update you guys on the way. Alrighty then, we just got home, safe and sound. And what time is it?
It is 3:52. It's currently sleeting right now.
Yeah, it was raining, snowing, sleeting, snowing back to sleeting now.
I think this kind of ice balls. It might be like mini hail.
Yeah, it might turn into hail here soon. I don't know. but
our mirrors are completely frozen right now. They look like little glass.
yeah, I'll have to show you here in a second, but yeah,
They
when
are
we get
glass.
out, but yeah, they're covered in ice. So, alrighty, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Look, it's built up a whole layer of ice on the outside of this.
Whoa, the stairs are covered.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna go inside now.
Alright, if you'd shut his door, we'd see if it'd start defrosting, as you can tell.
Yeah, I can't put like everything back in the video.